Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make white sauce easily. This fundamental sauce, also known as bechamel, is incredibly versatile and forms the base for many delicious dishes. We'll cover the simple ingredients you need and the basic equipment that will make this process a breeze. Get ready to master a kitchen staple that will elevate your cooking. The secret to a great white sauce begins with a perfect roux. First, melt 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter in your saucepan over medium heat. Once melted, whisk in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Continue to cook this mixture for about 1 to 2 minutes, stirring constantly. This step cooks out the raw flour taste and creates a smooth, consistent base for your sauce. Now it's time to transform your roux into a creamy sauce. Slowly, and I mean slowly, whisk in 2 cups of cold milk. Adding it gradually prevents lumps. Keep whisking continuously as you bring the mixture to a gentle simmer. The sauce will begin to thicken as it heats, becoming smooth and luxurious. Patience here ensures a perfectly silky texture. Finally, let's season and serve your delicious white sauce. Add a pinch of salt, a dash of black pepper, and a tiny grating of nutmeg for classic flavor. Taste and adjust as needed. This versatile sauce is perfect for macaroni and cheese, creamy gratins, or simply drizzled over steamed vegetables. For more culinary inspiration and to explore new recipes, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Happy cooking!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.